What is going on, guys? I've started this intro halfway up scale force, so it is a very wet, probably about 20-mile-per-hour winds at the moment. A very wet Sunday. I'm with them. I don't know if you can see her up there, just in the distance. So we're visiting this today because there's been a little bit of downpour. We wanted the waterfall to be have a bit more emphasis on why we came. One second while I get up here. It's actually really slippy. Sorry, yeah. So we wanted to come here today because there's been quite a bit of downfall over the past 3 or 4 days, which just makes scale force that much better. We're just carrying on up the left hand side of the waterfall, see how far we can get. I've never been here before, so I wanted to come here, do a video, because you seem to really like the waterfall videos, and why not come to the tallest one. So scale force is the tallest waterfall inside the Lake District, measuring at 170 foot. So yeah, this is just in between Crummock Water and Buttermere Water.